Lesson 8C2 works with truth tables and logical equivalence. So here are some of those definitions again with conjunction, disjunction, and exclusive disjunction. So now we're going to move on to truth tables that work with three propositions. So the pattern that we go with for proposition P is true, 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 and then false, 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 false. For proposition Q, it's going to be true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. And the last proposition R, you just go every other. So start with true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. We will use this pattern for three propositions. All right. This example, number 9, we're going to do this on the next slide. It's asking you to construct a truth table for this compound proposition where it says P or Q, so P or Q and R. So the final answer is going to be this green column. I'll show you on the next slide how we create this. All right, so start off with the pattern of P, Q, and R that we see in this yellow box. So 4 truths, 4 falses. Then we do 2 true, 2 false, 2 true, 2 false. And then we start off with true, false, every other. True, false, true, false, true, false. All right. So change colors. Now I'm going to work with this piece here. This symbol says P or Q. P or Q. Or is a disjunction. So if we go back to our rules, a disjunction is true when one or both are true, and false if both are false. So now we're looking at least one of them to be true. So P and Q are our 2 columns. We have a true and a true, so it's true. A true and a true, so it's true. A true and a false, that's good. A true and a false, that's still good. You only need at least one. A true and a false, that's still good. False and a true, still good. A false and a false, both of them are false. So the rule says it's false. False and a false, both are false. All right. Now, we're going to take care of this part. Saying P or Q and R. So the symbol in between them is and. It's a conjunction. So we go back to conjunction. In the blue here, it's saying we want true when both of them are true. So we're looking at this column here in the red, P or Q, and our third column. We want both of them to be true. So these are both true. These are both true. These are both true. And that's it. So the rest of those rows are false. So our final answer is always the last column. So this is our final answer. our answer to our compound proposition.